Cornelia Clapp was the first investigator to arrive for the MBL's inaugural season in 1888. She was a highly regarded teacher at Mount Holyoke College, while also pursuing her PhD in biology at Syracuse University. MBL director Charles Whitman gave Clapp a research project on toadfish embryology. Her findings were published in the Journal of Morphology in 1891. Women at this time had struggled to gain access to higher education in the United States. Clapp was in a select group of women who had been granted a PhD in the sciences, and the first one in the life sciences in the US. Women had limited professional options. Teaching was considered in the realm of women's work, but publishing original research and joining university faculty were not. Clapp pressed on into new scientific territory, researching the lateral line, a system of sense organs in fish. She completed her second PhD in 1896 at the University of Chicago. Her thesis provided the first description of the lateral line system of the toadfish. Clapp was one of the first female science professors to publish research. From Clapp's early experiences attending the Anderson School of Natural History off the coast of Woods Hole, she enjoyed teaching through hands-on investigation. She went on collecting expeditions in the United States and Europe with some of the leading naturalists of the day. And in Woods Hole, where Clapp taught in the MBL Embryology Course from 1899 to 1903, she had an abundance of marine organisms available for study. Later, Clapp realized the need for a library in Woods Hole, with subscriptions to top scientific journals, and so she served as the first MBL librarian. Clapp was instrumental in compiling a magnificent collection of journals along with MBL's biological bulletin. In 1910, Clapp was elected to the MBL Board of Trustees. While she was on the board, Clapp was one of only 2 women to be on the board, and she held that position for over 50 years. I would have loved to have represented women in science with Cornelia. Cornelia, thank you for paving the way for women in science. Cornelia Clapp definitely took center stage in science, predominantly led by men. She was a giant in her field, opening the way for women in science. First MBL female investigator, first MBL librarian, teacher of MBL's Embryology Course, on MBL's Board of Trustees for 5 decades. For these reasons, we admire and share the story of Cornelia Clapp at the Marine Biological Laboratory.